Hello students, this is Parul Adhikari, your English teacher, and today we are going to start with a poem that is Betty Potter Bought Some Butter. This poem is actually a tongue twister. What is tongue twister? Tongue twister is a phrase or a sentence with many similar sounds and that created difficulty for us to read the whole poem in one go. It means we are not able to speak the whole poem very quickly and very frequently. Before starting the poem, I would like to tell you the meaning of some words which are quite similar. First word is butter. What is butter? As you know, butter is a soft yellow or white fat or substance that is actually used for spreading on a bread. Okay, and we eat it. The second word is bitter. Bitter means unpleasant in taste. It means not good in taste. Third word is better. 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 Better means something which is good. Okay, something which is good. And the last word is batter. 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 Batter means a substance, a mixture which is actually used to make cakes and which is made up from milk, eggs and flour. Okay, batter means a mixture which is made up from milk, flour and eggs. So let's start the poem now. Betty Botter bought some butter, but she said this butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of better butter will make my batter better. So what happened in the first stanza is, there is a lady whose name is Betty Botter. She bought some butter from the shop and then she realized that the butter is very bitter. Bitter means which is not good in taste, which is unpleasant. And she thought that if she put the butter in her batter, recall what is the meaning of batter? Batter means a mixture of flour, milk and eggs. So she thought if she put the bitter butter in her batter, what happened is the whole batter will become bitter in taste. Okay? So then she thought that she should buy a bit of better butter. Means a bit of better butter. Better butter means which is something which is good. Okay, so she realized that she should buy a bit of better butter. And then she thought that the better butter will make her batter good. Better. So she thought that the better butter will make my batter better. So in the second stanza, first we'll read the second stanza, okay? So she bought a bit of butter better than her bitter butter. And she put it in her batter and the batter was not bitter. So it was better Betty Potter bought a bit of better butter. So what happened next is she bought a bit of better butter. She bought a bit of better butter which is not bitter. And then she put the better butter in her batter. Batter, again recall, Batter. Batter means a mixture of flour, eggs and milk. So she put the better better means which is now good because she bought the new butter now. So she put the better butter in her batter. And then she realized that the batter is not bitter. So at last it is given that So it was better Betty Potter bought a bit of better butter. It means it is good for Betty Potter that she bought a better butter for her batter. It was good, na? Otherwise, the whole batter will become bitter. Okay? Thank you. I hope you understand the poem and liked it.